In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use JungleScout's Keyword Tracker, a powerful tool for anyone serious about finding high-performing keywords for their Amazon listings, if you've been wondering how to use it efficiently or maximize its potential. This video has you covered, so stick with me. First things first, let's get into the setup process. Once you're inside JungleScout, head to the Keyword Tracker tab in the dashboard. You'll see a clean interface where you can start adding your keywords. To start tracking, you'll need to enter your target product or keyword in the search bar. This is where you can search for the keywords relevant to your product or niche, so make sure you pick ones that reflect what you want to monitor closely. When you've added a keyword, JungleScout gives you the option to select the specific marketplace you want to track. Whether you're focused on the US, UK, or another Amazon marketplace, this tool lets you track keyword performance in different regions. After selecting the marketplace, hit the Add Keyword button and you're set to start tracking. You can add multiple keywords at once, allowing you to build a broad list of search terms to monitor over time. Once your keywords are added, JungleScout's Keyword Tracker will begin showing you detailed data like search volume, ranking, and performance trends over time. You'll be able to quickly see which keywords are working for you and which need adjustment. The tool allows you to track how your rankings change and even see if competitors are outranking you for the same keywords. Now, to get more value, JungleScout also allows you to track these keywords against your competitors. By adding competitor ASINs, you'll be able to compare your keyword rankings directly to theirs, which gives you a significant edge. This competitive tracking is a must for anyone looking to optimize their Amazon listings and stay ahead of the curve. You can also set up keyword alerts. This is super helpful because you'll get notifications when your rankings shift, or if you're at risk of falling behind a competitor. These alerts are a game changer when you need to act fast and adjust your strategy based on real-time data. One of the coolest features is the ability to filter by keyword trends. This allows you to spot long-tail keywords that are gaining popularity, so you can jump on new opportunities early before the competition catches up. With JungleScout's Keyword Tracker, you'll always be ahead of the curve with fresh insights into what's driving sales. To summarize, setting up and using JungleScout's Keyword Tracker is a straightforward process that provides you with vital data to make smarter decisions for your Amazon business. By following these steps, you can track keywords, optimize your listings, and even monitor competitors, all within one tool. And as a special bonus for watching till the end, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can try JungleScout for free with our extended trial through the link below. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out on the chance to start using this tool to optimize your Amazon listings without spending a dime upfront. Make sure to hit that link below to grab your free trial and start tracking your keywords the smart way.